Yes, so next is insertion at the middle in the linked list. So let me again take the linked list here. So this is the data part and this is the next pointer part, right? So first I have to check for the condition here. First condition is if position is equal to 1. That means if the user has given the value of position is equal to 1, that means he has instructed to insert a new element, insert a new node at the first location. That means this is going to be the same as insert at head. So I have called the same function here. So if the position is equal to 1, that means insert at head will be called, and if the position is anything else, any number else except the first, that means else part, that means these steps will be executed. So what are the in these steps? First step is again the same, that is creating a new node. So creating a new node is like you create a new node. Yes, this new node has been created. Data part, I will assign the value in the data part here, and next, that is pointer part, will have the value null. Both these values are assigned in the constructor. You can write these two steps also in this algorithm, right? After this creation, after this step, you can write 2 points again. That is, you may write here new node data is equal to data or value new node ka next, new node next is equal to null. So these two steps also you can add after this step, right? So after this we have to take one more variable here, that is count, and initialize the value of count is equal to 1, right? And you have to take one more temporary pointer variable here. Temp is temporary pointer variable. So this is first initialized to head. So this is first initialized to head. How this is initialized to head? Temp is equal to head. Head means 100 memory location, 100 memory location at which the first element is saved in the memory, that is assigned in the temp. That means the value of present value of temp is equal to 100, right? So after this step count is created, value is initialized to 1. After this step a temporary variable is created and the value is initialized to 100 now. So next is, after this we have to start a loop here. In the loop we will basically increment the value of this temp and increment the value of this temp, and we will go on incrementing it up till the count is equal to position. So this loop, the terminating condition is count is less than position minus 1. That means up till this condition is true, we will go on incrementing both the temp variable and the count variable, and when this count is equal to position, that means at that particular point we have to insert the new node, right? So again, coming back to the loop here, initializing value of count and temp has been done. After the initializing, next is temp is equal to temp ka next. So temp ka next is 200. So this value is updated. So updated value of temp is equal to temp ka next. Then that means the temp will point to the second element now. Again this count is incremented, that means the incremented value of count is equal to 2 now, right? So again it will go to the fourth step. It will find out whether this condition is satisfied or not. count is 2. 2 should be less than position minus 1. Suppose we want to insert the element at third position. No, let it be fourth. Let me take the position to be fourth. That means I want to insert the new element at the fourth position. So that means 2 is less than position minus 1, 3. Still the condition is satisfied. That means we will again remain in the loop. Again the value of temp will be updated 3, count will be updated 3. So next condition is again 3 is less than 3. This condition is not satisfied. Since this condition is not satisfied, that means now we are out of the loop now. So that means after the loop, what is the next step here? The new node which we have created, this is a new node. New node is created, first step is done. Now data part has been assigned, and pointer part has also been initialized. Pointer, that means next part has also been initialized to null. Now the third step is remaining, that is still to be done, that is linking part. So how will I delete? 1 minute, just give me 1 minute. So linking is, now basically what I have to do is I have to insert this element at the fourth position, right? So I want is this link should be created with this. That means this null, this pointer part, that means new node का, that means कि new node का pointer मतलब new node का next, this part, new node का next, instead of null, this should be have the address of the next element, that is 400. And how will I get it? This is equal to, at present temp is this. At present temp is pointing to third element. That means temp ka next is having the memory address of this fourth element. That means 400. So new node ka next is equal to temp ka next. This is temp ka next. That means 400. That means fourth element memory address will be assigned at this pointer part, right? So that means this link is now created. After this link, you have to, instead of this 400 now, it should have the memory address of this new node. Suppose the memory address of the new node is 1000. So what I will write here is temp ka next is equal to new node. So now both the links, this link as well as this link, both these links are created, and this new node is now part of the linked list. So these are the steps, these are the same steps which are there in the algorithm. And if you see the program also, there also the steps are same. If position is equal to 1, insert at head and return. Else create a new node, initialize the value of count, initialize the value of temp, then create a loop. This loop will go on until the value of count is less than position minus 1, count plus plus, and at last these two steps are basically linking steps. It is the same as in the algorithm, right? Okay.